Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. It is my favorite time of the month. It's Whiff Box time, you guys. Yay! I'm so excited to unbox this with you. I will say, however, I saw spoilers. There was no getting around it. Scentsy has created these little spoiler images, and my friends who got their hands on the images were sending them to me like gangbusters. There was no unseeing it. I am pretty proud of myself that I've been able to go this long without seeing spoilers every single month. So if it happens from time to time, it's gonna happen. But I love the surprise aspect of this. If you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel and you don't know what a whiff box is, welcome. We're happy to have you here. A whiff box is a Scentsy mystery box packed to the brim of Scentsy goodies. I love this because it's affordable. It's $30 and it's packed with at least $30 in full-size products plus samples and all of that as well. The other thing I love about this, it can be a one-time purchase if you want. You can purchase multiple of them if you really want. If you see this box and you're like, this is an amazing box, I need 7 of them. Go for it. It's a really great value. And there's no strings attached. You don't have to add it to a subscription if you don't want to. But if you want to, you can add it to your Scentsy Club subscription, which leads me to my next thing that I want to address, because I have had several people say, why haven't I gotten my box yet? How come you get your box before I do? I actually took the whiff box out of my Scentsy Club subscription because I am impatient. I am the most impatient person that you will ever meet in your entire life. The Scentsy Club subscriptions process every second and third Tuesday of the month. So depending on when you signed up, your whiff box is going to process either this coming week or next week. So that's why yours comes a little bit later, because with a subscription it has to process on a specific day. I took mine out because it was excruciating waiting for it. So I just placed my order on the 1st of every single month to make sure I get my hands on it ASAP. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. So as always, we've got this beautiful, colorful box. Love it. And we will open it up. Ooh! Now, like I said, I know I saw the spoiler of what's in it, but I'm still unboxing it for the very first time here together. So we're experiencing this together. So I love the change in the color of the flyer here. So inside we have this bright yellow page here, and it says, get ready for brighter days to come. And it's got some lemons and stuff on the bottom here. Okay, I love that. And then we open it up here. Get ready for brighter days to come. Just says that again. A windy day in March is perfect for a pinwheel. Here's how to make your own. So this gives you directions on how to make a pinwheel. And this gives you this really cute lemon design. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Scentsy is dropping new products like hotcakes. Launching tomorrow, Monday, we are actually launching a brand new bundle here. So, and we are gonna get a little teaser here. So let's see. Inside. Woo! We've got all kinds of goodies in here. So let's see. We've got our Scentsy Air. Whoop, whoop. And then we have, all right, here we go. So we've got the counter clean in Squeeze the Day. I am so excited for this. And if you are wondering, hey, I didn't know that the counter clean comes in Squeeze the Day, it's because it doesn't normally. Launching tomorrow on Monday, we are launching a Squeeze the Day cleaning bundle that is only available while supplies last. It's going to be available for $28. Get your hands on it. If you love a good sweet lemon scent, pick this up. Ooh, so in this whiff box for March 2020, we are getting a counter clean and Squeeze the Day. Yay! Counter clean is absolutely amazing. I have said it over and over again. You can literally use this on anything. The one thing I don't particularly care for is using it on my counters. I know that's so weird because it's counter clean. I have granite countertops, so it leaves this, excuse me, it leaves this like film. Whew. Get it together, Lisa. It leaves this like film on the counter, and I don't like that. So I actually use our all-purpose cleaner for my countertops, but on tile countertops, this works great. Stainless steel works great. Carpet stains, it works great. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. You can only film an unboxing once. You can't undo it. So we're rolling with it. Okay, now, whew, we have a dish soap in Johnny Appleseed. Yes, we do. I already picked up one for myself, but I love this dish soap so much. I have yet to actually open the Johnny Appleseed, but the formulation of the dish soap is absolutely amazing. I love it. And I can't wait to try it in the Johnny Appleseed. And now I have an extra bottle, so I'm pumped. Excuse me. Goodness gracious. And then we have a bathroom cleaner in lemon verbena. So we have kind of a spring cleaning box theme here. And lemon verbena is actually one of my favorites, my favorite scents in the cleaning line, because this is a wax I don't tend to warm in this particular fragrance. So now when I'm cleaning the bathroom, it's not going to ruin a wax scent for me, because I associate like cleaning those scents with if I'm using that, if I'm warming that same wax. So I'm weird like that. But yeah, so we get the bathroom cleaner in lemon verbena. Fabulous. And now we get one of the brand new scents this spring and summer season is Mineral Oasis. So we get a Mineral Oasis scent circle. These are really great. I will say that Scentsy has come a long way since they first released the scent circles, because the scent circles used to be super, super weak. And so I would always prefer the car bars. My husband has been using the scent circles, and they're actually pleasantly, like, they're pretty strong. So I was pretty pleasantly surprised with it. So these are really great. I still feel like they don't last as long as the car bars, but they are better than they were in years past. So we have it in Mineral Oasis. And then we have a bar of the scent of the month, Spring Has Sprung. This is a nice floral if you like floral scents. It is more of a like powdery floral. Oh man, and it's, whew, man. It's crazy strong. If you like the scents like lush gardenia and lilacs and violets, you're really gonna like this. This is going to totally be up your alley. I'm picky when it comes to my florals. I like the more sweeter florals, non-powdery kind of florals, but I know a lot of people are really, really liking this. So you get a bar of Spring Has Sprung in here as well. And then we have our samples. So we have a sample of the Scent Soft and Clothesline. And then we have a sample of the Laundry Liquid and Clothesline. And the Washer Whiffs and Clothesline. So this is what I mean. These samples here are giving you an opportunity to try out the laundry line without having to buy the whole Laundry Love bundle. You have a shot to just give it one try and see, do I like this? Is it worth the money? Absolutely. So I love this. I absolutely think this is brilliant. It's brilliant. I love it. And then my favorite sample of all time is the sneak sniff of the scent of the month for April. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wait until you see the April warmer. As soon as it comes, I'm definitely doing a video because, oh, it's gonna knock your socks off. And the scent itself sounds like it's going to be fabulous. The name of it is Be Fabulous. So I really think it is going to be really nice. And it's a really pretty kind of like periwinkle kind of color wax. I think it's really pretty. Let me stick my sniffer in it. Here we go. I should have had the notes ready. Oh, this is nice. Oh yes, I like this. This is a nice clean. I would consider this to be a clean fragrance. Oh yes, I love this. And do you see the size of this sample? This is probably equivalent to 2 cubes from a bar. So this is giving you a real honest like sample to try out of the wax. Oh, that's so good. I get some lemon from this. Oh, that's really nice. Let me look up the notes. should have been prepared, but I always forget about that sample, even though it's my absolute most favorite thing from this box. Oh, I love it. Okay, April. Oh, there's something else to this as well. Is it like kiwi? I feel like there's kiwi in here. Okay. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see this warmer. Of course, I'll do an unboxing as soon as it's available. Okay, let's see here. Be Fabulous Bright Limoncello. Sparkles against a splash of ruby grapefruit. That's the other little zingy note I'm getting in there. And sweet sugared musk. Oh, it's so nice. If you like that sweet lemon with the bright grapefruit, but it's got a little bit, it must be that sugared musk that's just giving it a little extra something. It's really pretty. I think you could warm this throughout the entire house. Kitchen, living room, bedroom, laundry room, bathroom. It's gonna be appropriate for absolutely any space. Oh, it's so nice. I love that. I'm so excited. Okay, there we have it. So I like to do little totals here. And since I already knew what was in it. So this box costs you $30. And in full-size products, we have your bar, which is on sale this month for $5.40. We have the dish soap for $10. We have the counter clean for $10. And then we have the bathroom cleaner for $8. So just in full-size products alone, we have $33.40 of just full-size products. That's not including the samples. Oh, I didn't even put in the scent circle. Oh, geez Louise. And we have a scent circle too. So you're getting all of this here. So like 36 bucks. Oh my gosh, you guys. Seriously amazing. Such a great value just in full-size products alone. Plus you get the samples, plus you get the benefit of getting the sneak sniff of the scent of the month for April. So I would say get yourself a box. Get yourself a box ASAP. Now, sometimes the boxes will vary depending on popularity. They'll all be the same products, but they may vary in scent. I would imagine that the Squeeze the Day will be a staple in all the boxes, but maybe if they are running low on the Johnny Appleseed dish soap, they may swap it out for a different scent, but it'll still be the dish soap. Same with the scent circle. It may not be Mineral Oasis, but you'll still get a scent circle. It may just be a different scent. So, but it will all still be the same value. So if your box differs a little bit, it's just gonna be by the scent. So, oh my gosh, this is probably my, last month was a really good box too. I was gonna say this is gonna be my favorite box, but last month was a really outstanding box as well. So, oh my gosh, amazing. Fantastic. So order yourself a box. This box is going to be available through the month of March. So even at 11 o'clock at night on the last day of March, you can still purchase this box. And then there's going to be a completely new box starting April 1st. So, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this box. I can definitely see the hype. So definitely get your Whiff Box ordered. If you have your Scentsy Club subscription, if this is in your Scentsy Club subscription, it will be processing soon. So definitely keep your eyes on your mailboxes. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.